What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. The hair today is from Beauty Forever. All the information will be down below. This is their pre-everything wig. It is in 20 inches, it's 180 density, and in the kinky curly texture. So as you can see, the lace is pre-cut for you. They pre-bleached the knots, and it comes with the ear tape, so it can be worn gluelessly. The inside is on a dome cap, as you can see here, and it has the non-slip grip around the sides. The wig also comes with extra tapes for your ear tabs, so you can reuse the wig as much as you need to. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I already have my wig cap put on, and I'm just taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses, and I'm putting the makeup all into my cap. So something I want to mention is that in the beginning here, I am installing a wig cap, but later on, I wound up removing the wig cap because I felt like it gave me more of a natural look, and you could see the wig cap through the lace. So I wound up taking it off. And so now I'm just putting on the excess cream makeup just onto the line of the wig, and I'm sliding it onto my head, just making sure that everything fits comfortably and that I like where the ear tab tapes are going to line up with my natural hairline. And yeah, getting to the curl pattern here, this texture, it's actually really pretty, and especially when I style it later, so I'm really excited. So the next thing that I'm going to do is clean off my hairline, because like I said, this is tape on here on just the sides, so it's a type of adhesive, so I have to clean off my hairline because I have like makeup on the sides, and in order to get it to stick properly, you will need to clean your edges, else it's not going to stick. So this next part right here is fairly simple. You're just going to peel back the blue part like you would a sticker, and you're gonna line up where you want the edge of the lace to go, and you're literally going to just attach it to the side. Please ignore my sideburns, y'all. But you're just gonna attach it to the side, and then I recommend pressing it down for a few seconds just to make sure it sticks really well. You don't want to just like press it down and leave it. Just apply a little bit of pressure. And so I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. One thing I will mention is just be careful when pulling back the blue tape, because you can also, like by mistake, pull off the adhesive as well. I would recommend actually, before even pulling off the blue tape, just mash the blue tape onto the lace, like with your fingers. Just mash it together just to make sure the adhesive won't come off too, because again, this is removable tape, so it can come off. So just make sure it's sticking. And then this is just me applying pressure to the sides. I'm using like the back of a hairbrush just to make sure it doesn't lift or anything, and make sure it has like this flat, seamless edge. And so what I'm doing now is just cutting off the little bit of like excess lace around the sides that I don't need. My sideburns were already done from a previous style. I wasn't going to redo them. I honestly could have brushed them back, didn't feel like it, so y'all gonna have to get over it, sorry. But yeah, so I'm just cutting off the excess lace and just making sure I like how everything fits. So next, I'm moving on to my edges. I'm going to do my baby hairs because, as you can see, my natural hairline sticks out from the lace, and that's just because my natural hairline is weird. So if you have a regular hairline, like I always say, you'll be fine with this. This is just something that I have to do, so I'm just parting out my baby hairs on the sides. Plus, I like how it looks with the baby hairs anyway on the sides. It's just like a personal preference, honestly. So yeah, I'm just going to style these really quickly. now I'm getting ready to just define the curls. I'm using my water and my Cream of Nature curling cream that I was actually running out of, and I need to buy more. I really use this curling cream depending on the type of texture of hair. For kinky curly hair, I really like the curling cream because it's very moisturizing and it makes the curls look better in my opinion. So what I'm doing is just literally drenching this hair in as much water as I possibly can. And I also had to split this into 4 sections and not just 2 because the hair is very thick and it was just easier to work with in 4 sections. So yeah, after I drenched the hair with the water, I'm using this type of like comb. I don't even know what kind of comb you call it. It's like a brush comb thing, and I'm brushing through it just to like get the curls to look like this and to define the curls. And then after it's soaked, that's when I go in with the curling cream and I put the cream on top of it and continue to brush through it like this. And that is how I get the curls to pop. And then I just scrunch it just to help shape the curls however I like. And I'm just going to repeat this process on all 4 sections. And this is just a quick side-by-side comparison of the defined curls and the natural curls. Both actually look pretty in my opinion, but I like that defined look more, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue on to the left side. I'm just defining the parting space in the wig by taking some of my Got To Be Free spray and my hot comb. Normally I would use my wax stick as well. I keep burning myself. Normally I would use my wax stick, but I didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like it was necessary with this hair. Some hair you need to use the wax stick and this spray, but with this hair you really just need the spray. It's really enough. And I don't know if you can tell, but like through the top of my part right there, you can see my wig cap, which is why I wound up taking it off. But once I'm done defining the parting space, I'm just going to go ahead and take off this wig band. And already it was blending really, really well. Like especially the top part. Like it looked so pretty and natural. And I didn't even put any makeup like on the outside of the lace. Like it blended really well automatically. So I was very happy with that. I'm just going in and making some finishing touches because the lace was showing a little bit on the sides. And then now I am just taking my cream makeup and putting it on top, as you can see here, and just adding that flawless that flawless finishing touch. Y'all, I need a nap. Y'all, I'm so mad at myself because I put this concealer on this wig and this concealer was just too freaking yellow. In this lighting, it looks okay, but like in the regular lighting, I was so mad at myself. I wound up washing it off because that looked horrible. I was so mad. And also, you don't need concealer. Like, I didn't even need the concealer because the lace, I think it was like transparent lace, but it already blended so well that I didn't even need concealer. I think I was just trying to be extra and do extra stuff. But look at this. I was so mad, but just know I washed that off. Like, it looks crazy right here. And it was completely unnecessary. But besides that, this style came out really, really cute. I was really happy with it. The curl pattern, how quick everything was. The install was really awesome. And then on top of that, the lace was probably my favorite part. Well, like the lace at the top, like it blended very, very well. And I should have kept that in mind because I kept saying how well the lace blended. And yet I continued to put concealer on top of it. But anyways, that's besides the point. But yeah, no, the hair was very nice. When I was combing through it, like to define the curls, I didn't even get like a ton of shedding like I do sometimes with some wigs. Now it is normal with curly hair to get shedding, especially when you're brushing through it. But I didn't get a bunch with this hair. And it was really manageable and nice and very, very pretty for springtime. So if you're interested in this hair, definitely check it out. All the information will be in the description box below. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Adios till next time.